Let's open our first file in Illustrator. When you open Illustrator, you will see a screen like this. Maybe for different versions, the interface will change, but the basics remain the same. You will see a home button and also a learn button by which you can access to the guided videos and exercise files by the professionals. And the most common buttons, open and new file. By open button, you can open any existing Illustrator files from your computer or cloud storage. I will click new file button to start fresh. It will open a new document window. Here you will get a series of tabs with lot of options like recently opened files, any saved templates. Currently there are none. If you are working on a mobile application or themes or any other work for mobile devices, you can use ready-made mobile templates of iPhone, iPads, Google Play Store and many more. If you want to work on website design or any other digital web product, you can choose from the list of web templates like Common Web, Web Large, Minimum and some more. If you are working on some poster, visiting cards or any other similar products which needs to be printed, there is a huge list of templates for them as well to choose from. For example, letter size, A4 size, large prints and many more. Same way, if you are working for some branding, you can choose an elaborate template list of ads, banners, logos and others. It also has templates for social handles like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and many more. For art and illustration work also, there are various templates available in various commonly used sizes. For example, postcards, posters and others. If you want to work on video to add some animation, special effects or illustration into it, it gives you a set of templates with various commonly used sizes, resolution and aspect ratio for videos. Also, as a paid subscriber, you get access to the free template library of the Adobe stock. You can download them directly here. Now, let's understand how we can customize various preset details in the given templates. As an example, I will go to Art and Illustration section. I will go into the postcard preset. First thing which you can customize is the name of the file. You can also control the width and height of the template document in various units like points, pixels, inches, feet, and many more. So you can choose based on the work you are doing. Let's go to the advanced options. The first option here is color mode. Currently it is RGB mode for art and illustration presets. But when I go to print presets, the color mode changes to CMYK because it is the color scheme used for physical printing and RGB is used for digital images. So the preset automatically updates the color mode once you choose them. Let's say now if I go to branding, which is also a digital product, the preset will automatically change the color mode to RGB. For WEB also it remains the same. One more thing which updates is the resolution or raster effect when I choose the templates used for digital work in comparison to the physical print templates. When I am in print templates, you will see the resolution is set to 300 ppi and the color mode is CMYK. Now I will open the first file in Illustrator. I will go to Art and Illustration Presets, select an A4 size landscape paper, and then in Preset Settings, change the units to millimeters. Now you can see the width and height of the document is 297 by 210 millimeters, which is the exact size of an A4 paper. Now I will rename the document. You can also set the number of artboards you want from the preset details. For example, if you are working on multiple pages for a single product, you will need multiple artboards at one place. We can increase or decrease the number of artboards later also. I won't change anything in the bleed settings and directly go to advanced option. Here if I change the color mode to CMYK, it will give me a warning message that chosen color mode is different from the document profile, which means CMYK is not good for digital products, so I'll change it back to RGB color mode. Resolution by default is 72 ppi, which is okay for digital screen work, but you have the choice to increase the resolution here. So I will change it to 300 ppi. Preview mode, I will keep it as default. There are some more preset settings which are available when you click more settings button. Some of the settings are same as given in the preset outside, but some are new here. We will cover them gradually as the course move ahead. I will cancel it for now and move towards creating the document. I will click create button and it will open the document with two artboards of A4 size. In front of you is the interface of Adobe Illustrator 2025. First thing which you can do is match the interface with this one. I am using Essential Classic. To change your workspace, go to the right hand top corner. You will see an icon which says Switch Workspace. Click it and you will get the full list of workspace presets available. Choose Essential Classics from the list. It will match the workspace as mine. Now, next and most important thing which I am going to do is to save this file. I will go to File menu on the top and from the list I will select Save. Or you can also use Ctrl+S as keyboard shortcut to save the file. It will open a window dialog asking to save in the cloud or in your local drive. In student and teacher subscription plan, I get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage through which I can access the file from anywhere and offline as well. But for now, I will save in my local drive. So I will click Save on your computer and save the file in the desired location. Click Save. It will open another options dialog where you can change the version in which you want to save the file. Rest of the things I will keep same and click OK to complete the process of saving the file. That's it for this lesson. In next lesson, I will show you how to navigate in Adobe Illustrator interface.